of H2O, water. I'll teach you about the steps to make the geometrical construction. So according to those steps, we will make the construction. First of all, first step is central atom. Now we know that the central atom is those atom which has less contribution in the molecule. Now here in the H2O, the less contribution is of H2O. We can say that O. So here there are two atoms of the H, so it is more contribution as compared to the oxygen. Now we know that the oxygen combinedly has 8 electrons. But in the valence orbit it has 6 electrons. So we will represent 6 electrons like this. First of all, let me show you that how I have done that. Just suppose this is an atom. We have 6 electrons. We have to place 6 electrons. First of all, first electron at the 90-degree angle we will place second electron, then at the 93rd and at the 94th. Now after placing 4 electrons at the 90-degree angle, we have left 2 electrons. Now for those 2 electrons, it will be placed with the already existing electron. So we will place it with the already existing electron and all the 6 electrons are placed. So here we will say that we have 2 lone pairs. So lone pair does not have any contribution in the geometrical representation, but it affects on the degrees of that, or we can say that angle of that molecule. So let's move on to the second step. Second step is valency filling. So for the valency filling, we will make the bonds like, as I said that there is no contribution of the lone pairs in the geometrical representation. So we will pair hydrogen with the we can say that single electrons or valence electrons. So after that we will move on to the third step, and that is hybridization of orbitals. So for the hybridization of molecules, we should be known that how many hybrid we have. Here we have this oxygen on the s-axis, this lone pair at the p-axis, this lone pair at the p, this single pair at the p. So here we have 1s and 3p. So we will hybrid it, and the hybrid orbital is sp3. So according to sp3, it is like tetrahedron. As I told you in the previous lecture, tetrahedron is of kite shape. So here this atom is of kite shape. So we will place it like that. But the degree here would be 104. As I told you that tetrahedron of degree is 109.5. But here the degree is 104. Why? Because we have 2 lone pairs. Lone pairs does extension of that orbital or shape. So because of that extension, the degree between the 2 electrons are 104. And that will be representation of that electron. And that's all about today's lecture.